Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The attack shard labeled only way, sufficient level and energy, and an empty quick slot. Once done, open the shard menu and select only way. This ensures the correct buff will bind to your active slot. You should equip a compatible weapon before activation because the shard scales with weapon stats. Press activate, then assign the shard to a hotkey for immediate use. Doing these steps in sequence prevents wasted charges and keeps your combat tempo steady. You now integrate only way into your attack rhythm by timing it within a combo window. Once activated, press the assigned hotkey and immediately follow with a high damage skill. The shard grants a brief damage multiplier that decays fast. Position yourself to hit flank or rear zones because the shard multiplies against vulnerable angles. Keep an eye on your energy and the shard's visual timer. If you miss the chain window, reset with a simple jab move and reinitiate the sequence to recover potency. You finish by using a finisher to consume residual only way stacks, maximizing damage per use and preserving charges for the next encounter. Make sure to track remaining charges and shard durability after combat. This prevents surprises in the next fight. If activation fails, first re-equip your weapon and rebind the shard. Many sync issues clear with that simple step. When problems persist, relog or restart the client. Then verify level and energy requirements before attempting activation again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.